Hello, today I'm going to show you how to measure your oil level on your BMW 1 Series car. It's an F14 in that case. There is no dipstick anymore on your engine. Oh, that means we have to control the oil level by an electronical measuring system inside the car. Let's perform this. It's important that your car is temperatured in a good temperature value. That means drive approximately 30 minutes around the block. And then your car has the right temperature. Then we go into our operation system. First step is go to the home menu. Then we can navigate by using that big ball to right, left, and enter is pushing upward. Then we go to my vehicle, and inside my vehicle, there we can switch to car status, and there you can see there is a check oil level. This is the RDC, and we can push it by using our fingers because it is fingerprint control. We can go to oil maintenance oil thing. Here we can see check engine oil, and then there comes an information. Only measure it while your car is in working temperature and the right temperature. That means you have to drive 30 minutes around it. And of course you have to be in a flat area, in a flat surface. Your car has to stand on a flat surface, and you have to switch to P for parking. Your car engine is still running. This is important, and it's other than before, because the old style of checking your oil level is shut off the engine and wait a little bit, then dip or remove the dipstick and read this side. In this case, you can see we start the measuring, and our rounds per minute will gain a little bit. Oh yeah! And then it is checking time. Now it's controlling the oil level. Yeah. After approximately 30 or 40 seconds, it will give you the oil level. Okay, let's go. There stands engine oil is okay. That's nice. And on the right side you can see a minimum and a maximum area. If your oil level is between minimum and maximum, everything is fine. If your oil level is on minimum area, you can dip or you can refill or dip up a little bit of 1 liter of engine oil. If you go over the maximum range, that's not good for your engine. And if you go under the minimum range, that's not good for your engine too. That's easy, isn't it? Check this by using your operation system, and your car has to be checked with running engine. And your engine has to be in a hot condition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.